Hello, everyone there at OMJ Contractors. Thanks for getting back to me. This is Charles. My name is Charles. We were texting earlier on. I am with Warley Digital. Let me put my website up here. Um, we help business grow organically. We help clients find you so that you get more leads, and more leads leads to more closing clients. This is me, Charles. And more closing clients helps you grow your business. So I just wanted to give you a few tips about your website and how to make it rank better for Google so that more people can see you. Now, a lot of business owners ask me, why do I make these videos? I do this because number one, I want to help businesses grow. Number two, I know that business owners are too busy to even learn or start to implement these things. And number three, there's so much information out there. There's so many people who are, call themselves SEO experts, but then they don't get the whole job done. So I wanted to prove myself by giving you these tips. And hopefully we can work together. If not, that's fine. Just take these tips, use them, and hopefully you'll grow and get better business. All right, so the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So content has to do with everything on your website. Whatever I've highlighted here in blue, all the text, the images, everything on your website. To optimize with Google so that you're found on searches, you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of text. I can see you barely have any text here, so I'm sure Google is not picking you up for anything. The images that you have here, if I'm trying to, let me look. You see, they're saved as just a random string of letters and numbers. It's good to save your pictures as the keywords that people look for, will search, put into Google to search for your business. So for example, your home contractor, general contractor, I would say save it as general contractor in Philadelphia. Just the name that you're saving this as, general contractor Philadelphia. No? Yeah, that's it, because Google reads what's behind the images. So I would definitely add more and more text over here, and make sure your text is saturated with keywords. Keywords meaning the phrases that people search, put into Google to search. For example, if I'm looking for home remodeling in Philadelphia, probably people search for this, home remodeling in Philadelphia. So I would make sure that appears on my homepage or on my page, home remodeling Philadelphia, that word, those keywords. Another keyword people search for could be general contractors in Philadelphia. Make sure that appears in your text, on your keywords. Okay, the second thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations have to do with this area of the map pack of the Google search. So whenever you search for something, let me put back home remodeling in Philadelphia. You'll see Google ads at first, and I always tell people Google ads are a fast way to get leads in. However, it's always hit or miss because a lot of people have ad blockers that will block Google ads. So it's always hit or miss. And then it's pay per click. So if I click on this right now, these guys will be charged. So you can click on your competitors and get them charged, make them spend money, but that's not good practice. Anyway, the second thing you find here, right below the ads, is what's known as the map pack. Now, how do you rank over here? You have 3 businesses and a map here on the side. If you hit more businesses, then you'll see all the businesses in the map pack. So how do you start to rank higher and higher here? Well, it has to do with what's known as citations. Citations are whenever your name, address, and phone number is cited in different directories online. So for example, Yelp, Superpages, whitepages.com, yellowpages.com, Dext, Dexnos, Yext, etc. All these, LinkedIn, I mentioned Yelp already. All these directories, the more directories you're cited in, the higher you will rank here. So my advice to you, OMJ, is start to put yourself in different directories online. I'm just going to say the top here, Home Remodeling Philadelphia. This is my website. I actually made this about a month and a half ago. And you can see it's ranking. It has all the text that's needed. It's saturated with keywords. And then I went ahead and put myself in different directories online. So whenever someone searches for, let me go back to the search. Whenever someone searches for Home Remodeling Philadelphia, and I'm getting calls right now. Now I'm not a home remodeler, so I can transfer these calls to anybody who needs leads. However, I just wanted to show you that the map pack has to do with citations, what's known as citations. And then below the map pack are the organic search listings. Now, these organic search listings, how do you rank here, has to do with what's known as backlinks, the third thing I want to talk about. Now, if you imagine the internet as a collection of web pages all linked together, a backlink is when one web page links to your web page, meaning they're directing traffic to you. So, for example, if a forum or if a forum in Philadelphia about general contractors has a blog and your link is there, that's a backlink. That's a good backlink because it's the same niche, etc. Not all backlinks are the same. Now, if you think of it, maybe a Pizza Hut linking to you, that doesn't help at all because they're two different niches, and Google can recognize that and say that's not a good backlink. So I have a tool called Ahrefs, which can go and look at your competitors. Let's say Mr. Contractor, I know these guys. I'm going to take them as an example. This tool called Ahrefs, I'm going to put them here. It can measure the backlinks that you have and where they come from. So I would tell your website or SEO person to get in, look at all the backlinks that they have, and make sure you have the same or more, the same number, the same strength, or even more. Now I put your website in here, and I can see that you don't have barely any backlinks, no domains. That's why you're not ranking. That's why you're not showing up in Google. Customers don't see you, etc. I would really advise, if you can change up your website. Yeah, the pictures are good. I can tell these are realistic looking pictures. But I think it's better if you can have better pictures, a lot more text, more pages, your text should show who are you, what do you do, where you service the different locations, etc. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: backlinks, citations, and content. If you would like to work with me again on these things, my name is Charles. Here I am. This is my phone number and my email address. Let me write it over here for you. Oh, actually, it's right here. info@warleydigital.com. You can text me, email me if you want to work together. If you would be interested in building a website like this, I also do this. And I can customize it for anything. This is just a sample. I've built many other websites. I have also home remodeling in Worcester, actually. And this one is getting me a few calls. Okay, thank you very much. And I hope this has informed you, helped you somehow. Thanks for watching all the way till the end. And I will talk to you hopefully soon. Thank you. Happy holidays.